Look at those lines, just boom.
I hit the chunder.
The chunder.
What's up, Team Huckhouse? I took my son snowboarding the other day. I forgot to share the footage, so check this out. The dude is ripping. That's his 5th time snowboarding. He just turned 2 years old. For all the new subscribers, I probably don't know, I have a kid, I'm married, I worked at Target like every other guy, and I just wanted to snowboard, and my little brother told me, yo, start a YouTube channel. I did. 4 years of grinding later, technically 3. This is the 4th year, and now I do YouTube full time. It's pretty crazy to think how fast this has come and where we are now today. And it's because of you, Team Huckhouse. Everybody that's been watching the videos, sharing the videos, that helps so much. But the fact that I was able to go full time was because of my Patreon supporters, which we just got 2 more. We got Gregory and Austin. Guys, thank you so much for joining the Patreon page. We're up to 44 Patreons. That's insane. The goal for the whole season is 50. And I really think we're going to hit that. If you don't know what the Patreon page is, it's a fan donation website. But for every donation you give, I get to give something back to you guys. So there's tiers, and each tier has a perk. Like if you just enter with $1 entry, I write a blog every Monday. You can read that, understand what's going to go on for the week, where we're going to be riding, what the plan for the videos are. And I always leave like a quote of the week, something where I can inspire you guys, hopefully. And it's really sick. You got to check it out. But also, that's the place where you can snowboard with me. And on November 23rd, we're going to be doing a group shred. So if you want to snowboard with me, this is the best way to do it. Go to the Patreon page, join the group shred. The group shreds are so much fun. And November 23rd, we're going to be hitting the mountain, shredding together, and I cannot wait. Today should be really fun. We should be meeting up with TJ and Kevin from Snowboard Pro Camp. You never know what other snowboard YouTubers will be out here, and it's just gonna be a ton of fun. Kyle's gonna help film today, so let's just jump into the day. I almost forgot to mention we're on the new whip today and some new bindings. For everyone that watches my live stream, the board that was sitting behind me is the one we're rocking today. So the other one is just super old, over 300 days on it, super flexible, whatever. This one's gonna be a lot stiffer. I've been riding just Union Contact, so these are Union Contact Pros, so these bindings should be better. So let's go see how the new setup works, because this is the mid-season, main season, the rest of the season setup. First run, new board, new bindings, let's get it. Man, I forgot how it feels to carve with sharp edges. It's like a game changer. But also in the park, it's a game changer because I'm scared I'm gonna catch on everything. Okay, so the board's sick. We knew that because we rode another one 300 days plus on it. So, but having the sharp edges, having no popped edges, and it not having a broken core, it's stiffer, it carves way better. So let's really start to kind of like push the board.
This new board feels so good.
With the goggles, they lifted. Are you okay?
Everything about that hurt.
Oh man!
My ankle, my wrist, my goggles. What?
Is that what they call you, Buckhouse? It's got buck, son. Oh!
I need a second.
Look at those lines, just boom.
I hit the chunder.
The chunder.
Disco foot. No! I'm gonna have to fix that up top.
Real good.
I got this new multi-tool. This thing is so sick. It's like whoop whoop, and then yeah. What happened was Roman helped me set these bindings up, and the dude didn't tighten them enough. Do you guys need a tool? This is seriously one of the coolest ones I've ever seen. The fact that it like can't stab you and you slip it in your pocket. I'll have this linked in the description if you want it. Guys, this is RJ. What's up? Oh man, did you guys see that? My snowboard and the edges, I got locked in and just started. What happened? So I was trying to go on the side of that rail, tight with the fence. My snowboard sinks into the snow super hardcore because I got sharp edges. Yeah. Rips me towards the rail. And then I do a whole 360. Then I fall down and slap the GoPro. And then I almost hit the rail. And then I almost broke my shit. What? What up? What's up, man? Yo. Dude, you killed it. That was sick. And they told me that they were sore and tired, and then they go and crush it that hard. Dude, so sick.
I just got stoked being out here with Johnathan, man. The energy levels
Dude,
went up.
just instantly. Dude, you absolutely crushed it. So sick.
It's good filming with you.
Way too much fun, dude. Dude, it's way too much fun following you. Ah, that was sick.
Same, man. Good lap, guys.
Dude, that was a sick lap. I'm like smiling ear to ear. All right, guys, so the end of the day got a little clunky with the storytelling, talking, whatever, but we ran into TJ and Kevin, and they... We missed a high five.
I had my eyes closed. I'm sorry, man.
We are staring at the sun for better light.
I had my eyes closed, dude.
That was so good. But these guys are out here ripping Colorado this week. This is not gonna be the only day we ride. Those two last we took were so fun. Now both of them have channels. You got Snowboard Pro Camp. If you don't know who Snowboard Pro Camp is, what are you, living under a rock? And then we got Board Archive, the guy that knows literally everything about a snowboard where I don't. And if you ever watch my live streams, I'm always like, check out Board Archive. Well, this is the dude. His channel and Kevin's channel are linked in the description. Give him some love, and let's keep growing this snowboard community.
Yeah, man. Sick. Thanks, man. Good riding with you.
Yeah, this was sick. Guys, this one's Chipmunk. The gimbal's dead, and I'm just gonna have fun with these guys. So we'll see you at the car.
I don't know what happened, guys. I lost the outro clip. So this is actually like 3 days later from this video. I'm ahead on videos, which is always super comforting to know that I'm stocked. But I hope you like this video riding with TJ and Kevin. Those guys are so sick, and we're gonna keep meeting up this week and making content. So be ready for that. Once again, their channels are in the description. But if you did like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You can share it if you want. That's how we grow as a channel. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We want to help you become the best snowboarder possible. Even though today's video is just kind of having fun mobbing around, we do post a ton of snowboard educational content here. Or you can go check out my Patreon page. That is where you can work with me on like a Snowboard 101 course. I post a ton of just interesting snowboard content there, but you can also message me. We can have like one-on-one conversations, as well as you could snowboard with me if you really wanted to. And then we're doing a group shred November 24th. It's a Saturday, and it's gonna be sick. So if you wanna come shred with me, check out the Patreon page, see the group shred bracket, and we'll make that happen. All right, Team Huckhouse, thanks for shredding with me. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you next time.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes I so do banger, I'm the new Mick Jagger,
We'll see you at the car.